That's your game. You should know how to do it. It's not my game. Who was hers?
No, her sister-in-law.
Oh. Very nice. No, not my How do you know?
Even I did better than that there. Jeez.
Not a scoop. I can't reach them where I live. Whoops. Dump them out. I don't know if they count.
Sarah's not playing for a prize either, so.
We're doing this for your pure amusement.